One of the limitations that comes with living in a third world country, Nigerian, Philippines, India, Kenya, Ghana, Nairobi, Uganda, and any of those countries, and even more countries in the third world region, is the fact that you cannot gain access to certain websites and certain platforms, all because you are resident of a third world country or you're a citizen of a third world country. To gain access to some of these websites, some of those platforms, you need to apply certain strategies, and one of those strategies is having a UK or a foreign address and a foreign zip code that you can take advantage of and use. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a foreign address. First thing I want to say is that please make sure that whatever you're using this for is very legal. Alright, so this website gives you access to get the name, location, gender, state, country, and every detail that you need about a human from this website, and all you have to do is to use it and register. This channel, I share content on how you can make money online from the comfort of your home. And then in order to see more of this content, please subscribe to this channel so that you see more videos and enjoy more videos. Please like this video and share it. Thank you. So let's go straight right in. So you come to a website. The name of this website is fakenamegenerator.com. fakenamegenerator.com. It's very, very simple. So once you come here, you have the access, you have the freedom to choose, you see, your random generated identity. So you can decide to choose which gender you want. You can decide to say you want a female. Then name set, you can decide to pick a name set, which name works for you. Do you want a Scottish name, a Slovenian name, a Swedish name? Any name that works for you, just pick a name. So I'm going with American. So you can choose the country of location, the location you want. You can choose Italy. You can choose from a various array of countries: Cyprus, Canada, Brazil. So let's assume we are going with Canada. We want a Canada location. So we just click on generate, and once you click on generate, there you go. So you have Cherry R. Williams. So you see 3667 Carlin Avenue, Ottawa. You see, this is verified. Like anywhere you use this, it is accepted. Anywhere you use this phone number. Now you don't have to use this phone. Now remember that I shared a video. I'm gonna leave the link below where you can get a phone number of someone from any of these countries. So if you're choosing Canada, you can also get a Canadian phone number. Mother's maiden name Lee. So you see birthday, age, tropical zodiac, email. Well, of course you can't use this email. Username, you can use this email there. I'm gonna be making a video subsequently explaining how you can generate email and use that. I've already created a video on how you can generate phone number. Alright guys, so that is that about this video. You create the content, you create a name, you generate a name specific and tailor-made for you depending on what you want to use it for and the country in which you want to use it for. Please do very well to hit the subscribe button and like this video and share if you'd find it very helpful. And if you have a video you want me to make, please leave a comment in the comment section. I am going to attend to it. If you have anything you're confused about, please also leave a comment in the comment section and I'm going to get to it. Thank you very much.